Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel. So today's video is regarding that lot of ladies, lot of women out there are looking for job from home, and some of them are, I've seen in my groups like a lot of them are posting, do they know about any of the jobs and all. So one such job which is getting quite popular these days, both for good reasons and for not so very good reasons, is White Hat Junior. So I had also applied for White Hat Junior. So let me walk you through the process. And I also have the emails which has been sent to me. I got selected for the first round and then the second round. So I'll be sharing a lot information regarding that. Right, so round one was actually a telephonic round. So wherein a person so basically it actually starts with, there'll be a form, you got to fill in the form, and then once you fill in the form, then you come up to telephonic round, that is considered as the round one after the application that you fill. So basically what they check in this round is basically good communication skills, confidence, and does whatever you are saying, your qualification, does it match with what you have filled in the form, right? And then if they feel it's all very good, and they also ask you, do you have a laptop and do you have good internet connection? And once you satisfy all that, then you are moved to round two, which is basically the technical round. So in technical round, what they're basically checking is your internet speed. Do you have the basic necessities that is needed to conduct the class? And after that is your round three. Basically in this round there is a test. So there is a small change. So earlier, see, this is the mail which I have got. Dear Megha, congratulations, you are among the top 5, and this is your mock and my schedule and all of that, as you can see. And then this was the PDF which was sent to us. This is a 50-page PDF which has all the information about White Hat. There's a 45 minutes test, okay, and so it's a 50 pages thing, wherein first you need to give the 25 pages test and then followed with another set of page. So there was demo 2 and 3, but they've had a small change in the hiring process right now. And then we got another mail saying that 1 minute. Yeah, so then when we got another mail saying that they are rehiring and the candidates are going to have a short coding test, okay, and they had given a sample test in regard to this, right? So I got a mail because I got selected, and then I got a mail saying that there is a changes and we have a new system upgrade. So this is the latest way they are hiring, right? So there is a sample test. It's in Python, and this is how it is. There are just 5 questions, 45 minutes, and it's all online, right? This is the test instructions, and there is a question on how to code all of these, right? So yes, those who are interested and those who have some sort of engineering or software background, or somebody who has done their MCA or something like that, and or somebody who's having some sort of technical knowledge and coding knowledge, can definitely apply into this. They are hiring people right now, and they're also, so you can expect somewhere salary between say 30,000 to about a lakh, right? So do let me know if somebody applies to it and gets selected, or please put into my comment box below. And also subscribe to my channel. Please give me a like if you really find my video useful. I have tried to make it as comprehensive as possible with the mail which I had got. And yes, thank you. Love you all. Bye bye.